Do you feel like you could be more productive than you currently are? Here are 4 ways to stop wasting your precious time and get things done. Let's go. Number 1, figure out when you are the most productive. For some people, that's in the morning, for others, it's during the day. Figure out when you are the most alert, efficient, effective, and productive, and make sure you're making good use of that time. This leads us to number 2. Perform the hardest tasks first. Now, oftentimes we want to strive for those quick wins. However, if we do the harder tasks first, it leads to more motivation and it makes it less likely for us to procrastinate. Additionally, now you're not dreading doing that hard task that you don't want to do. You've already completed it. If you're finding value so far, consider giving me a thumbs up. The YouTube algorithm really likes it. On to number 3, remove all unnecessary distractions. Our phones, biggest distraction that we have. We've got notifications constantly going off and that distracts us from what we're doing. So get rid of it. Put it in a drawer, put it in the other room. If you do need to have your phone on you, switch off your notifications, especially the social media ones. That way you're not getting distracted. The 4th one is time blocking. I harp on about this one way too much. It really works. What we want to do is take out our calendar and start blocking out time for things that we need to get done. The benefits are that it keeps you accountable, focused, and reduces your ability to multitask. Believe it or not, science actually shows that multitasking is a productivity killer. We're better off taking the time to focus on that one task, do it well, rather than do 2 tasks simultaneously. Now, if you'd like more productivity tips and tricks like this, consider subscribing. I also have another video that speaks more to time blocking, so check out my habits that guarantee success video next.